Alright. Kind of show you how the inside of it looks. There's the banana. Got your mayonnaise. And this is your homeboy Carolina Chris 26 from Fayetteville, North Carolina, home of the 26910 zip code, baby. You know what it is. Rest in peace to George Floyd, who was born here. And this is in memory of him. Now, if you guys ain't never had this before, I mean, you're missing out, man. I ate this when I was a little boy. Always, I mean, shoot, I remember being a little boy living in Florida with my mom and my little brother. And we didn't really have hardly nothing to eat, so we was eating like mayonnaise and tomato sandwiches, or just mayonnaise sandwiches really in general. And yeah, I got nothing against mayonnaise, bro. Me and mayonnaise get along. Yeah, man, it's crazy, man, all the stuff going on in the streets these days, man, but it's necessary. Yeah, my mom was Caucasian. My dad's full-blooded Native American. I am a member of the Coherie tribe. It's understandable, the hatred and stuff about the system and whatnot. Seriously is. I know I grew up in Massey Hill, a neighborhood here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And I've seen my share of shit, man. Keep it real with you. I've seen my share of shit. Alright. Gotta put your banana on there. Now you can do like 4 long strips, and then you can do, you know, a couple small ones in the very back if you want to like have total banana on the whole sandwich, you know what I mean? I kind of like to fill in the gaps. Bam, you know what I mean? Perfecto. Now I know people who put like Nutella on there. Dude, I don't know nothing about Nutella. I mean, I know about Nutella, obviously, but I am not sponsored by Nutella, so I might have to block that label out. Alright, kind of show you how the inside of it looks. There's the banana. Got your mayonnaise, and I got a little piece of banana at the bottom because I wanted to kind of fill in the gaps when I have all banana on the sandwich. I was eating this when I was a kid, man. So yeah, dude, I've always liked banana sandwiches, bro. I eat them quite often. And it has to be Duke's mayonnaise too. You know what I mean? Straight up. You living down here in North Carolina, man, you got to be using Duke's. In the South in general, Duke's mayonnaise. Best mayonnaise out there, guys. And I'll rip that mayonnaise 24/7. I get a sponsorship. But yeah, guys, that's it. That is a banana sandwich. Pretty simple, nothing big, but damn sure good. That's good. Rest in peace, Mr. Floyd, and to the Floyd family. One love.